Welcome to Kilimo Faida TV, your number one agricultural TV. I am your host, Mary Mbera, and I'll be taking you through expert notes on establishing a farm with over 5,000 liters of milk a day. Stay tuned. Establishing a farm capable of producing 5,000 liters of milk a day is a significant undertaking that requires careful planning, investment, and expertise. Achieving this level of milk production demands attention to detail across various aspects of the farm's infrastructure, animal care, management practices, and marketing. Here are the key expert notes on setting up such a dairy farm. 1. Selecting the right land. Land size. A farm aiming for 5,000 liters of milk daily will need ample space for the animals to graze, live, and be housed. Typically, you'll need a farm at least 100 to 200 acres depending on your farming practices, especially if you plan to have a combination of indoor and outdoor systems. Soil and climate. The land should have fertile soil for growing fodder crops like lucerne, alfalfa, maize, and napier grass to feed your cows. Ensure the climate is conducive to raising dairy cattle with moderate temperatures and adequate water availability. 2. Choosing the right breeds. High-yielding breeds. The breed of dairy cow you select will significantly affect milk production. Holstein Friesians are the most common breed for high milk yield, producing up to 40 to 50 liters per day per cow under ideal conditions. Other options include Jersey and Brown Swiss for their milk quality and better feed conversion. Breeding plan. Ensure you have a well-thought-out breeding strategy focusing on genetic selection for both milk production and overall cow health. Use artificial insemination, AI, to introduce superior genetics and rotate bulls to avoid inbreeding. 3. Infrastructure and housing. Modern dairy parlor. Install a modern milking parlor such as a herringbone or rotary parlor that can handle large volumes of milk effectively. A well-designed milking system can reduce labor time and stress for both cows and workers. Cow housing. Ensure cows have access to comfortable housing that is well ventilated and dry. You might consider freestall barns or loose housing systems for cows, allowing them space to move freely while reducing stress and improving milk yield. Storage and refrigeration. Ensure you have adequate bulk milk tanks for collecting and cooling milk immediately after milking to maintain milk quality. A cooling system that brings milk temperature down quickly to below 4 degrees Celsius is crucial for quality preservation. 4. Feeding and nutrition. Balanced diet. A dairy farm producing 5,000 liters a day will require large quantities of high-quality feed. Formulate a balanced diet that provides energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Include high-protein silage, e.g. lucerne, high-fiber raffages, and concentrate feeds for optimal milk production. Fodder production. Invest in growing sufficient forage to ensure a steady supply of feed year-round. Hydroponics or silage can be effective, especially in areas with fluctuating weather patterns. Supplements. Use mineral leaks, vitamins, and targeted protein supplements to meet nutritional gaps and improve milk yield and cow health. 5. Health and animal welfare. Veterinary care. Regular veterinary visits are essential for disease prevention and early diagnosis. Vaccinations, deworming, and hoof care are important to prevent common dairy cattle diseases such as mastitis, tuberculosis, and Jones disease. Mastitis prevention. Mastitis is one of the most common health issues in dairy farming. Ensure proper milking hygiene, regular cow checks, and well-maintained milking systems. Install automated milking sensors that monitor udder health. Calf management. A robust calf rearing system is necessary to maintain herd size. Implement proper colostrum feeding and weaning practices to ensure calves grow into productive cows. Robotic milking systems like voluntary milking system (VMS) could also be considered for large-scale operations. Labor management. With high milk production, you need a skilled workforce. Consider employing farm managers, dairy technicians, and laborers trained in modern dairy farming techniques. Proper training in milk hygiene and animal handling will minimize the risk of injury and maximize milk yield. 7. Water management. Abundant water supply. Dairy cows require at least 100 to 150 liters of water per cow daily. Depending on climate and milk production levels, invest in a reliable water source and ensure that water quality is maintained at all times. Water conservation. In addition to ample supply, it is crucial to have a water recycling system, especially if you are using water for cleaning and other farm operations. 8. Farm management and record keeping. Data-driven decisions. Implement a farm management software that allows you to track milk production, feeding schedules, breeding cycles, and health records. Using data analytics to assess the farm's performance will allow you to make informed decisions for improving yields. Milking schedules. Have a strict milking schedule to avoid stress on the cow and ensure uniform milk yield. Plan for 3 milking sessions per day or a system that suits your specific farm setup. Financial management. Ensure you have a proper budgeting and cost management system in place. A farm producing 5,000 liters of milk per day will incur costs, especially in feed, labor, and veterinary care. 9. Sustainability practices. Waste management. Use organic waste, that is manure and waste feed, for composting or as fertilizer for crops, ensuring sustainability and reducing costs. Some farms use manure for biogas production to generate power. Energy efficiency. Minimize energy costs by using solar panels or other renewable sources. Also look into energy efficient milking systems and refrigeration units. 10. Marketing and distribution. Direct sales or cooperative. You'll need a steady market for your milk. You can sell directly to processing plants, join a dairy cooperative, or even market your milk as a premium product. Consider value-added products such as cheese, yogurt, or cream. Branding. Develop a strong brand for your farm, focusing on quality, sustainability, and ethical farming practices. Build a relationship with local retailers and customers for consistent demand. 11. Investment and financial planning. Initial investment. Setting up a farm capable of producing 5,000 liters per day requires significant initial investment. Estimate costs for land, infrastructure, and equipment, animals, as well as ongoing operation expenses. Government support and grants. Check for available government grants, subsidies, or support for dairy farming, which can help offset initial cost and improve farm viability. Conclusion. Establishing a dairy farm producing over 5,000 liters of milk daily is an ambitious but achievable goal. Success depends on having the right land, breed selection, nutrition, and infrastructure. It's crucial to integrate modern technologies, effective management practices, and a strong focus on animal health and welfare. By paying attention to these factors and implementing efficient systems, you will be on your way to running a profitable, high-yielding dairy farm.